The glute firing exercises that we'll talk about next help stabilize your pelvis during running and walking. You need strong glutes to help with hip extension and forward propulsion. Proper alignment of the pelvis, torso, and legs also depend on strong glutes. Strong glutes ensure you keep proper form during weight training, especially lower body exercises, so your knees are protected. If your glutes are not strong, your entire lower body alignment may fall out of balance, causing problems such as Achilles tendonitis, shin splints, runner's knee, and iliotibial band syndrome. When the glutes are not strong enough to do their job of extending the hip and pushing the body forward, other muscles not as well designed for the job have to take over. The hamstrings, low back, quadriceps, and calves may become disproportionately strong, increasing your risk of injury. When your glutes aren't activating as they should, your psoas muscles, a hip flexor that runs from your spine to your legs, takes over. An overstressed psoas muscle causes back pain and compression in the lumbar spine. The first exercise is hip hikes. Begin by standing on an object. One foot is right on the edge of the surface. The other foot is freely hanging out to the side. Stand tall with head and chest up. Maintain a neutral spine. Begin the movement by slowly lowering the outside foot down and towards the ground. Then lifting the hips up towards the ceiling. There is no bend in the knee on the platform throughout the entire movement. Perform 10 times each side. Next, we'll use knee wings. Lie on the very edge of the table, bench, or bed so that the edge of the surface is right where the groin and leg come together. Your leg should look like a wing. Begin the exercise by allowing your knee to hang freely towards the floor, then engage the glutes and lift the knee as high as you can towards the ceiling. Perform 10 times each leg. Next exercise is 10 straight leg lifts. Begin by lying on your side with your head supported in your hands. Legs stacked directly on top of one another. Top hand down in front of your stomach for support. Engage your core and your glutes and lift the top leg straight into the air as high as comfortably possible. Pause for 1 to 2 seconds at the top and return to the starting position. Perform 15 times each leg. Next, we'll use body weight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. You can place your hands behind your head, across your shoulders, or outstretched in front of you. This will be your starting position. Begin with the movement by flexing your knees and hips and sit back down with your hips like you're sitting in a chair. Make sure that your knees do not extend past your toes. As you squat, keep your head and chest up and back. Continue down to whatever depth you are able to reach and reverse the motion until you return to the starting position. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 10.